My vision of success for the Lower East Side is to have people walking day and evening to various kinds of activities, going from neighborhood to neighborhood to small shops to things for our basic necessary needs, for food, of course, but for other things, for recreation, for just the aesthetic beauty. We are so close to the river. We have wonderful natural resources around us. And I think the LEAP process implemented will make it just the more beautiful.
The Lower East Side that I see in the future will be a vibrant community, a place where transportation on the river is bustling, maybe ferries going back and forth to Windsor or downriver or even to Toledo or Cleveland. The place I see in the future for the Lower East Side are communities where we can actually shop and have great places to eat and hang out, walkable paths, greenways and parkways where it's just flowers and naturescapes with art. Those are the community that I kind of envision in our future by 2015.
My ideal vision is that in the future we create a system in Detroit for planning to really be led at the grassroots level, for it to really be bottom up. And you have the people who are going to be affected by a decision making that decision.
I think that we have to be creative about how we think about Detroit's future, especially as it relates to new land uses. I think that Detroit could lend itself to a number of new and creative types of uses for land use, whether that be parks for recreation, places to gather, or it could be places for entrepreneurship and innovation. Detroit has to look at its situation as a great opportunity to explore many different types of new uses, new strategies that could help make Detroit somewhat of a revolutionary city in terms of trying to deal with its issues in a productive manner.